Welcome back to Bangin' Tasty, everybody. Today we've got a delicious recipe for you. We're going to show you how to make rosemary brie crostini with currant jam.
If you want to learn more about this crostini recipe and read it step by step, be sure to click the link in the description box below.
Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification for more Bangin' Tasty videos like this one. The utensils you need for this recipe will be a large baking sheet, a cutting board, a bread slicer, and something to spread the cheese and jam with, like a cheese spreader or a butter knife, and a teaspoon. All the ingredients you need are olive oil, enough rosemary sprigs to make about 2 teaspoons, 4 ounces of brie cheese, 4 demi baguettes, and about 6 ounces of currant jam. If you're preparing for a larger crowd, you can get 8 ounces of brie cheese instead. This is what we chose to do. Lastly, you'll need the salt and pepper. Begin preparing the food by preheating the oven to 425 degrees. Start to pick the rosemary from the sprigs. Mince enough rosemary leaves so that you'll have about 1 teaspoonful. Slice each baguette crosswise into 8 pieces or rounds. Place the slices onto the large baking sheet. Drizzle the rounds with olive oil and then sprinkle the rosemary over the tops of them. Use salt and pepper to season. Set the timer about 7 minutes, then place the sheet into the oven until the slices are golden brown and fragrant. Once the slices are baked, remove them from the oven. Use your utensil to spread a slice of brie cheese onto the bread. Once the cheese is on the slices, spread the currant jam over the tops. After the cheese and jam are spread, dish and serve the crostini. Set aside the additional cheese for more taste if needed. This is a great recipe for many occasions: dinner, cocktail parties, really anything. Thank you all for watching our video. Make sure you share and like the video down below, subscribe, and stay tuned for some more Bangin' Tasty videos. We're interested to see how you guys would serve these yummy treats. Tell us in the comment section down below.